We found out about Lux Smart Staffing through a sports group that my daughter is involved in. They had offered up a cleaning package through a silent auction, and I was quite secretive about it and didn't tell anyone else to bid on it. And we won, thankfully, yay. And I set something up with them about a week later when I felt I was ready to have someone come in and see the mess behind the wall here, and they were amazing. We honestly had no expectations. We were kind of coming into this saying, best case scenario, our floors will be cleaned and bathrooms will be cleaned. We definitely did not expect the level of depth that was given to us. Our refrigerator and freezer were completely sorted underneath beds. Furniture was moved. It was just fantastic.